So what is given is that a plus b plus c is 180 degree. It means that they are just part of the triangle. So what we need to prove is that sin 2a plus sin 2b minus sin 2c is actually gonna be this 4 cos a cos b cos c. Right. So what I'll do is I'll start with this LHS. Okay. So we'll start with this sin 2a plus sin 2b and then minus the sin 2c. So this is my LHS. So first of all, I see this sin c plus sin d. So I'll try solving this. So I'll be getting this 2 of sin c plus d by 2, which is a plus b, and into cos c minus d by 2, which is gonna be cos a minus b. And then this is 2 sin 2c. So I'll just keep it as sin 2c for the time being. Or I can write it as 2 sin c into cos c. Why did I do that is you will see now. Now what I'm looking at is this a plus b is actually equal to 180 degree. So I can say that a plus b is actually equal to 180 minus c as well, right? Then I can write this sine of 180 minus c. And this will be into cos of a minus b, and this will be minus 2 sin c cos c. I can write this 2 sine 180 minus c as what can I write it as? 180 minus c would be what? Yeah, sin c. And into cos a minus b and minus 2 sin c into cos c. Now you can see that I can take 2 sin c common. So what I'm left with is cos a minus b and minus cos c. Again, cos c I want to put it as 180 minus this time around minus a plus b. Okay. So this will become 2 sin c. Then this will become cos a minus b. This will become minus plus cos a plus b, because 180 minus a plus b would be minus cos a plus b. So this is what it will become. Two sin c, and then this is cos a minus b plus cos a plus b. So this will be cos c plus cos d, which is gonna be 2 cos c plus d by 2, which is gonna give you cos a, and then cos c minus d by 2, which is gonna give you minus b. Then this will become 4 cos a, cos of minus b is cos b itself, cos b into sin c.